Let's take a look at this problem. We want to solve this absolute value equation. So assuming I get my pen to work, there it goes. So negative 3 times absolute value of x plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 2. Well, our first thing we need is have to have the absolute value by itself. So I need to work getting rid of those numbers. We're going to take this number, this constant term, to the right side. Whenever you move any number, constant term over to the other side, the sign changes. So the positive 8 becomes a negative 8. 2 minus 8 gives us negative 6. Now, we still don't have the absolute value quite by itself. We've got a number in front of the absolute value. And we get rid of that number by dividing both sides by that number. So we're going to take negative 3, absolute value of x plus 5, divide by negative 3, is equal to negative 6 divided by negative 3. And those negative 3's will cancel. And we've got the absolute value of x plus 5 is equal to negative divided by negative is positive, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now what's inside our absolute value is going to be our p, and the other side will be our q. And our formula says p is equal to q, p is equal to negative q. We can apply our formula now because the absolute value is by itself on the left side. Well, wherever we have a p in our formula, we'll plug in x plus 5. Everywhere we have a q, we'll plug in 2. So we got x plus 5 is equal to 2, and x plus 5 is equal to a negative 2. I'm solving for x, so I'll take the 5 over to the right side. It becomes a negative 5. And 2 minus 5 gives us negative 3. This one, I'll take the 5 over, so we get negative 2 minus 5. And negative 2 and negative 5 gives us negative 7. So those would be our two answers.